Good morning. If you would like to have parents added to your Google Classroom so that they get notifications of any updates, here's what you do. Come to the People tab, and here where it says Invite Guardians, you simply put their email. What I did during open house was I had parents that came add their own emails if they were interested. Something that you could do for parent-teacher conferences. I am just not liking this at all. Quick tip to get parents to sign up with your Google Classroom so that they can get updates when you have new assignments or announcements posted. Click People, and right here where it says Invite Guardians, just have the parents type their email address. You could do this during parent-teacher conference, have a Chromebook available, and have them add themselves if they are interested in getting updates.